Hey guys, what is up today? I have my handbag, my Jacki Eastslick handbag, and we're gonna do a little video of what's in my handbag and what are my secrets of my handbag and why is this so heavy. I have a lot of coins at the bottom of my purse, so yeah. So we're gonna go do a what's in my handbag video. So let's get started. Okay, I'm gonna set this down because my handbag is really heavy. So what's actually in here? What is my secrets? What is my secrets? Shh. What's actually in this handbag? A lot of people love to know what's in my handbag, and sometimes when I go to like business meetings, I always carry like a binder book, and then I put a little notepad in there with my business cards along with my notes, basically. So I can be more prepared. Or if I'm doing a shoot, I need to bring my laptop with me, I can put that in here too. So that sometimes that could be heavy sometimes. I have sunglasses. Lovely sunglasses. I have a little charger points, my business cards, some press passes, coins, glasses, my wallets, my wallet size up here, my pens, pencils, cough drops. Yes, I'm actually sick, so yeah. Forgive my hair that is really messed up right now. Yeah. The video that I did, the drive video, is in my handbag. Yeah. So yeah, that is what is in my handbag. And yeah, that is really what is in my Jacki Eastslick handbag. And yeah, so that is pretty much it. Make sure you hit that subscribe button up there, and make sure you follow me all over of @Sammy's Live. And if you want a handbag like this, go online, check them out. You will love this very much. It is a Jacki Eastslick handbag. So make sure you hit that subscribe button and make sure you follow me all over the internet of @Sammy's Live. I have a link in the description for more videos like this. So see ya, peace, bye, and subscribe.